about the some chemical reaction. But what do you mean by chemical equation? नेमकं chemical equation कशाला म्हणायचं की suppose if we take the copper sulfate aqueous solution of the copper sulfate, aqueous solution of the copper sulfate, and then we take the zinc dust. If we take the chemical reaction between the aqueous solution of the copper sulfate, aqueous solution of copper sulfate react with the zinc dust, there is the formation of the zinc sulfate plus copper. That type of the equation is known as the word equation. Representation of the chemical reaction with the help of the in the form of the word, that is known as the chemical equation in the form of the word equation. त्यालाच काय म्हणायचं, word equation म्हणायचं. word equation कशाला म्हणायचं? Representation of the chemical reaction with the help of the word is known as the word equation. But sometimes this word equation is also represented in the form of the chemical formula. That means we represent the chemical formula of the copper sulfate, that is nothing but the CuSO4. This is the aqueous solution. What do you mean by aqueous solution? If the solution of any substance is prepared in the water, that solution is known as the aqueous solution. The molecular formula of the copper sulfate is CuSO4, zinc is Zn, and there is the formation of the zinc sulfate plus copper. Means what? Representation of the chemical reaction in the condensed form by using the molecular formula or chemical formula is known as the chemical equation. Chemical equation कशाला म्हणायचं की जी केमिकल रिॲक्शन दिलेली आहे ती केमिकल रिॲक्शन जर आपण मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिली तर त्यालाच म्हणायचं केमिकल इक्वेशन. रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ द केमिकल रिॲक्शन इन द कंडेन्स्ड फॉर्म बाय यूजिंग द मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला इज नोन ॲज द केमिकल इक्वेशन. आणि आपल्याला आर्टिकलचं तेच नाव आहे की केमिकल इक्वेशन. और another definition of the chemical equation is that representation of the chemical reaction with the help of the chemical formula is known as the chemical equation. This word equation, the molecular formula of the copper sulfate is CuSO4, zinc is Zn, and there is the formation of the zinc sulfate and copper. That means it is in solid state, zinc sulfate is in aqueous, and there is the copper is in solid state. When there is the reaction takes place between the copper sulfate and zinc, at this time there is the breaking bond between the copper and sulfate. जेव्हा झिंकची कॉपर सल्फेट बरोबर रिॲक्शन होते त्यावेळेस कॉपर आणि सल्फेट मधले जे काही बॉन्ड आहेत ते ब्रेक होतात अँड ॲट द सेम टाइम देर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द बॉन्ड बिटवीन द झिंक अँड सल्फेट अँड देर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द झिंक सल्फेट. म्हणजे हे केमिकल रिॲक्शन होत असताना कॉपर आणि सल्फेटमध्ये जर झिंक रिॲक्ट विथ द कॉपर सल्फेट ज्यावेळेस रिॲक्शन होते त्यावेळेस कॉपर आणि सल्फेटमधले बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतात, त्यांचं नातं तुटतं आणि ते सेपरेट फ्रॉम इच अदर. ॲट द सेम टाइम दिस झिंक इज इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ द सल्फेट. इमिजिएटली देर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द झिंक सल्फेट with the formation of the bond. That is nothing but the chemical equation. The next article is the